Hi friends, I'm Sujith Roy. It is your technical techniques. Hi friends, if you are new to this show, subscribe to this channel and press bell icon so you can get all my uploaded videos in future. And friends, press the like button. So friends, please watch the video till end. And now let us come to today's point. Today's point is that secret tip, that is we have to not install any apps for audio and video record in phone. Instead that in my phone, that is the secret is the secret is, I'll show now. It is, we have to go here first. Here when we go, the options will come up here and do like this, and here the screen recorder is there. Press that and the screen record will be going on. So friends, this is today's tip. Thanks for watching, and please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get all my uploaded videos in future. And friends, don't forget to press the like button. Bye friends, let us meet in another video. Thanks for watching.